away from the kitchenette, I found a private bathroom. It looks like a urinal has been, it was plumbed for a urinal, or at least the drain was there. We got a drain cap. Again, we got the imaginary hot water. Okay, all our discussion plates are present. The back is there, that's good. Fan is working, that's good. Ooh, just really? Looks like it hasn't always flushed that well, but you kind of expect that. Any bathroom, especially one that's so private, heavily occupied. Now this is interesting. This is a bathroom, right? That's an air return vent. What if the other bathrooms have that?